It's an icy girl with an eye thrust. We